Hello everyone, so today I want to show you how to organize your workspace with Notion. Notion is an online website where it's more like a student dashboard. You can find all of the things that you need for your school. I think you can even link it up to Google Calendar. I'm not 100% sure, but this is what my Notion board looks like, and I am using a template from a YouTuber called Janice Studies. She's amazing. I do recommend you watching her. She was the reason why I started this channel. So I just, customize some things around it. You can change the banner, you can change a GIF. She added a cat paw, and you can also add a whole bunch of different things over here. But I also changed the study playlists to, lo-fi music. And because I am on spring break, it doesn't show anything that I need to do. And I have, so sorry. I have 4 courses: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And I am entering quarter 4, and I'd like to start off the school year fresh and new, so I got some more materials that I need, and I will also do a video on that. So here we are. So this is the quarter 4 things. There are 8 weeks in quarter 4, but because I do not have the premium, I can't add a new one. I'm not being tested on my quiz. It just is week 1, week 2, all of these things. I have not filled them out with my Google Calendar yet, so I'm just waiting for those to, do what they're supposed to do. They have a Pomodoro timer. You can add one. Let's see. There's also many other things that you could do in Notion. But let's just review my dashboard. So here you can do GIFs and things that motivate you to study and be on track. The reason that this is not the only reason why I got Notion, it is also to be, organized and to have everything ready and things like that. But let's continue. So we also have a calendar. I think that really helps, and I do not live in Vancouver. I have no idea why this is Vancouver weather. Probably because Janice, she lives in Vancouver, so this is just, something natural. But let's see. There's also to-dos. I did not check them off yet because I don't have homework, but I was productive today, so I guess I'll give myself a little bonus for that. And that's it. There's an About Me page, graduation. I think I graduate in June. But it just says, what are my priorities and what do I want to complete by the end of the day? I'm not very sure about that, but I just want to finish submitting my story. I'm just writing a story about middle school and how fun it is. And it says 49 weeks into the end of the semester, which I'm super crazy excited for. Sorry if you hear talking in the background. My apologies. But basically, this is all that I have to show you about my Notion dashboard. You can also get it on your phone. You can get it on many other different platforms. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for watching. And before I end this video, make sure to subscribe to my socials. I think I have TikTok. It's at sleepy_studies. Make sure to like and follow me. I will definitely follow you back when I get the chance. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm also making an Instagram account very soon. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. Bye!